Good morning, student. Welcome here in your social science class. As you already know that we are discussing chapter number 2 from your geography, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. And this is your part 2 or video lecture number 2 of this chapter. So just take a quick recap of your part 1, which we have already discussed in our previous video. Just like first of all, we already discussed about the land. Land is among the most important natural resource. Yes, we have already discussed about the land. So as you all know, land is among the most important natural resource and it covers about 30%. How much? Yeah. It covers about 30% of the total area of the earth's surface, and all parts of this small percentage are not habitable. We have already discussed about the land is used for different purposes also, such as agriculture, okay, fine, just such as forestry, then mining, building houses, roads and setting up of industries. Conservation of land resources, all of you know about it. Then soil also. We have already discussed half topic of the soil also. Meaning of the soil, the thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth, and already discussed about the soil profile. Then factors also which affect the soil formation. Student, now just today start our video lecture with topic here. Now let's come here, just look at here. Now start your video lecture with topic degradation. Okay, it means soil degradation and conservation measures. So the new word come here, the degradation. It means soil degradation. It is the physical, chemical and biological decline. Which decline it is? Yes, it is physical, then biological and then chemical. डिक्लाइन इन सॉइल क्वालिटी. किसकी क्वालिटी? जो आपकी सॉइल की क्वालिटी है, जब वो अपनी सॉइल की क्वालिटी को लॉस करती है, इट इज़ लॉस ऑफ फर्टाइल लैंड. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सॉइल डेग्रेडेशन. ओके, एंड यू नो इट इज़ अ वेरी सीरियस प्रॉब्लम. यस, इट इज़ वेरी सीरियस एनवायरमेंट प्रॉब्लम. Now the student just look at here. Okay. So soil erosion and depletion. Which one? The first one is soil erosion, okay, and the second one is depletion. So soil erosion and depletion are the major threats to soil as a resource. Here the soil erosion word come here. All of you know about the soil erosion. We have already studied in our previous class also. Soil erosion means in agriculture, soil erosion refers to the wearing away ऑफ अ फील्ड्स टॉप सॉइल. क्या होती है आपकी जो फील्ड की टॉप सॉइल होती है? वेयरिंग अवे, ओके, ऑफ विच ऑफ अ फील्ड टॉप सॉइल बाय द नेचुरल फिजिकल फोर्सेस जस्ट लाइक अ वाटर एंड विंड. देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज डेप्लेशन. इट अकर्स व्हेन द कंपोनेंट्स which contribute to fertility. Okay, which components? Yes, when the components which contribute to fertility are removed and not replaced, and the condition which support soil fertility are not maintained. This leads to poor crop yields also. So these are the two major threats to soil as a resource, both human and natural factors. Which factor? Both human and both natural. So human and natural factors can lead to which one? Degradation of soil. Factors which leads to soil degradation are you know that about the deforestation, about the overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizer और pesticide बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करना to increase the crop के आपका ज़्यादा increase करना, crop का जो production है उसके increase करने के लिए nowadays farmers using lots of overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticide, rain wash also, and landslide and floods. So these are the factors which led to soil degradation. And which one they are? Deforestation, yes, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, rain wash and landslide and floods. Okay, let's come some methods of soil conservation. Okay, now we will talk about the some method how to conserve soil. The first one is mulching. Covering bare ground between plants with straw to retain the soil moisture. As you can see here, आपका cover कर दिया जाता है side. Okay, so covering which thing? Covering bare ground. Okay, or you can say that a layer of material, as you can see here in this picture also, a layer of material applied to the surface of soil here. Okay, just like this. Yes, which thing? Yes, layer of organic matter just like straw. And क्या help करता है बेटा ये आपका? It helps to retain soil moisture. Now the next method of soil conservation is contour barriers here. Which is the next one? Contour barriers. It means making barriers with stone. Okay, किस से एक बैरियर टाइप में बना दिया जाता है बेटा with the help of which thing? Stone, grass, soil along contours. Trenches are made in front of the barriers to collect water. Yes, water collect करने के लिए क्या बनाए जाते हैं आपके trenches. Just look at here. Okay, in this picture. Fine. So contour barriers are contour strips which intercept downslope flowing water and soil particles. So क्या help करता है? Yes, trenches are made in front of the barriers to collect which thing? To water. Now just look at the next one. Method of under the soil conservation topic. The next one is rock dam. Okay, rock dam. Here a rock embankment constructed. क्या बना दिया जाता है आपका एक here as you can see in this picture also, a rock embankment constructed across a drainage way. Okay, or other suitable location to create a temporary basin for collecting sediment. Okay, क्या sediment collect करने के लिए, and rocks are piled up to slow down and the flow of water here as you can see in this picture. This prevent gullies and further soil loss. क्या prevent करता है आपका soil loss. Then the next one is terrace farming. Yes, all of you know about the terrace farming. Okay, terraces are made on the steep slopes to grow crops and prevent soil erosion. आपका एक steep slopes है तो यहाँ पर क्या बना दिया जाता है? Terrace बना दिया जाता है. Okay, so broad flat steeps or terraces are made on the steep slope so that flat surface are available to grow crop, or they reduce surface runoff and soil erosion. The next one is intercropping, which is the next one. Intercropping, different crops are grown in alternate rows and are sown at different times to protect the soil from rain wash. Yes, different crops आपकी ग्रो की जाती है alternate rows पे. Okay, different crop. Then how what to different time to protect the soil from rain wash. Then the next one is contour plugging, which is the next one, contour plugging. This one is very you can say that just look at the picture also. Plugging parallel to the contours of a hill slope to form a natural barrier, just like एक natural barrier आपका पूरा बना दिया जाता है for water to flow down the slope से रोकने के लिए. Okay, now the next one, just look at here, shelter belts. Okay, which is the next one? The next one is shelter belt in the coastal and dry regions. कौन से region में? Yes, जो आपके coastal और dry regions होते हैं, rows of trees are planted to check the wind movement to protect soil cover. क्या? Yes, rows of trees are planted. Okay, to check which thing? Yes, you can say that कि if you talk about the coastal and dry region, so they what to protect soil cover or to check the wind movement. Rows of trees आपके क्या कर दिए जाते हैं? Planted. Now, student, we will talk about another important resource, that is water. All of you know about the water. Water is very essential for every human being. Even you can say that it is an essential part of our life. Without food, so we can live at least 2 to 3 days, but without water, is it possible? So water is a vital renewable natural resource. Okay, so now we will talk about the water. Water is a vital renewable natural resource. First, we must know about 3/4. Okay, 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. आपका जो पूरा अर्थ है, okay, how much surface? 3/4. आपके जो 3/4 आपका जो अर्थ का पार्ट है, yes, is covered with water. It is therefore appropriately called the water planet. इसीलिए आपकी जो अर्थ को है, आपके अर्थ को water planet also it called. Why? Because water is covered how much percentage, how much part of Earth's surface? Yes, 3/4. It was in the primitive oceans that life began almost 3.5 billion years back. How much? Yes, about 3.5 billion years ago, the first life on the earth began in primitive ocean. You know, even today, the ocean covered 2/3 of the earth's surface. कितना आपका ओशन कवर कर रहा है? आपका जो हो गया 2/3. ओके, ओशन ने जो आपका पूरा अर्थ कवर कर रखा है, अर्थ का आपका कितना पार्ट? 2/3 ऑफ अर्थ ओशन एंड सपोर्ट एनिमल एंड प्लांट लाइफ. क्या सपोर्ट करता है आपका बेटा? एनिमल एंड प्लांट लाइफ. यस, द ओशन वाटर इज हाउएवर सलाइन एंड नॉट फिट फॉर ह्यूमन कंजप्शन. फ्रेश वाटर. ओके, if we talk about the fresh water, so if we talk about the fresh water, account only 2.7%. How much percentage of fresh water? Only 2.7% is available as fresh water. Even 70% of this occurs as ice sheets and glacier in Antarctica, Greenland and mountain region. Okay, आपका जो mountain region, 70% of this exists as ice sheet, glacier where? Yes, in Antarctica, in Greenland and in mountain region. Only 1% is available and fit for drinking. How much water is fit for drinking and available? Only 1%. Okay, or you can say that only 1% of fresh water is available and fit for human use. It is found as a groundwater. ओके, इट इज़ फाउंड एज अ ग्राउंड वाटर. कहाँ है आपका जो आपका फ्रेश वाटर अवेलेबल है? इट इज़ फाउंड एज अ ग्राउंड वाटर, देन एज अ सरफेस वाटर इन रिवर्स में आपका हो गया, एंड लेक्स एंड अ वाटर वेपर इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. सो स्टूडेंट, वी कैन से दैट fresh water is the most precious substance on the earth. And how much fresh water is available which is fit for human use? Only 1% of fresh water. And where it is found? It is found as groundwater, as surface water in rivers and lakes, and as water vapor in the atmosphere. The total volume of water remains constant. Okay, if we talk about the volume of the water, and so that's why it remained constant, as it cannot be added or subtracted. Okay, then just look at here, this one we have already discussed. You can say that the whole chapter we studied in our previous class also, class 7 water chapter, even in science also and social science, in both. So water remain constant because of water cycle. What's the reason why? Yes, so it's you can say that only because of which thing? Only because of water cycle. It is a process of evaporation and then precipitation and runoff. So water cycle, as you can see here, its abundance only seems to vary because it is in constant motion. एक पूरा water cycle आपका जो constant motion में चलता है, and how it cycling through the ocean. here as you can see the collection of water and through the ocean, the air, yes, here, okay, then the air and then land and back again. Okay, so which one? Yes, cycling through the ocean, then the air and the land and back again through the process of which thing? Evaporation, then which one? Precipitation and runoff. This, as you already know, is referred to as the water cycle. Okay, now the question 1 come here. Human use huge amount of water. Okay, human use, all of you know about uses of water. So human use huge amount of water, not only for the drinking and washing, but also in the process of production also. Okay, just like water for agriculture. Okay, which things? Okay, drinking and washing, the another thing, but about the water for agriculture, water for industries, generating electricity also. Okay, which one? Water for agriculture, industries, generating electricity through reservoirs of dams are the other usage. Even increasing population, rising demands for food, and you can say that cash crops. Okay, increasing urbanization and rising standards of living are the major factors which leading to shortage in the supply of fresh water. Either which thing? Either due to drying up of water sources or water pollution. Okay, now the next one thing come here, problem of water availability. Okay, what are the problems? Okay, there is scarcity of water in many regions of the world. As you all if you know about, if you talk about the water nowadays, it becomes very shortage of water. Even you can say that if you talk about the desert area, just like desert, they have to go lots of so many kilometers to bring only one bucket of water. So there is a shortage of water in many regions, even not only in our country India. If you talk about the whole world, as you can see here, okay, if you talk about the whole world, there is a scarcity or shortage of water in many regions of the world. Most of the America, you can say that, which one? Yes, most of the America, most of the Africa, and then West Asia also, then South Asia, parts of Western USA and Northwest Mexico, parts of South America, and entire Australia also. Which one? Yes, entire, here as you can see, entire Australia are फेसिंग शॉर्टेज इन फ्रेश वाटर सप्लाई. कौन से हैं जो आपकी फ्रेश वाटर सप्लाई की प्रॉब्लम को फेस कर रहे हैं, शॉर्टेज. ओके, जस्ट लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ अफ्रीका, वेस्ट एशिया, साउथ एशिया, parts of western USA, northwest Mexico, parts of South America, and entire Australia faces water shortage. Countries, yes, these countries are located where these countries are located in climatic zones and most susceptible to drought. आपका drought face problem कर रहे हैं. Okay, drought हो रहा है, वहाँ सूखा पड़ रहा है. Great problem because of shortage of water. So that's why water shortage may be a consequence of variation in seasonal or annual प्रेसिपिटेशन. आपका क्या हो गया कि एक वेरिएशन होता है जैसे सीजनल और एनुअल प्रेसिपिटेशन, और द स्कैर्सिटी इज कॉज्ड बाय ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन एंड विच वन? यस, कंटिमिनेशन ऑफ वाटर सोर्सेज. बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लॉयट, बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा वाटर वेस्ट हो रहा है. वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग ऑल ऑफ यू नो अबाउट द Amarillo city. Okay, you know, have you ever heard about the water market? So many times you have seen fruit market, vegetable market, fish market and all. Have you heard about the water market? कभी सुना है आपने? No ना? Now let's know about the here about the Amarillo city. It has a water market. Okay, and where it is? Yes, so Amarillo city in where? Yes, Sorestrar. Okay, which region? Yes, Saurashtra region with the population of 1.25 lakhs. Okay, कितनी population है वहाँ आपकी? 1.25 lakh is completely dependent on purchasing water from the nearby तालुकास. Purchase करते हैं. Yes, it purchases water for its consumption and we are in Amreli city. Now student, now you got it about the major problem of today's word is shortage of clean and adequate water sources. Some of the steps you can see that it should be taken to conserve water. Why? Because all of you know about water is a renewable resource, but its overuse and pollution make it unfit for use. So that's why stop. First of all, stop which thing? Stop discharge of untreated water. Yes, stopping discharge of untreated water, agriculture and industrial waste. Okay, which waste? जो आपका agricultural waste है, आपका जो industrial waste है, वो कहाँ आपका बहाया जा रहा है? Into water bodies. So must stopping discharge of untreated water, agricultural and industrial waste into water bodies. Sewage, agricultural chemicals and industrial water pollute the water with which thing? Yes, it pollute the water with nitrates, metals and pesticides also. Which one? Yes, nitrates, metals and pesticide. Forest and other vegetation cover slow the surface runoff and replenish underground water. कौन सी चीज आपकी? Yes, forest and other vegetation cover slow the surface runoff and replenish underground water. So that's why afforestation also helps in replenishing the underground water. You got it? So besides the water harvesting method, yes, rainwater harvesting and use of sprinklers and drip of trickle irrigation. Here these three. Water harvesting method. Okay, then which one? Yes, use of sprinklers. Now student, here as you can see, which thing? A water sprinkler. Okay, which thing? A water sprinkler. Canals also used for irrigation should be properly checked for water losses through seepage and evaporation. Rainwater harvesting, you all of you now got it. It is a process of the collecting rainwater from where rooftops and directly it to an appropriate location where it is stored for future use. Recycling plants should be installed to conserve water and stop wastage. Which thing? Yes, the next one. Yeah, recycling. Okay, recycling plant should be installed to conserve water and to stop wastage. Better irrigation facilities should be developed to conserve water also. So these are the some steps should be taken to conserve water. And you know, water is a renewable resource, very precious resource for every human being, and even you can say that for every living organism. So just try to make more and more effort from your side also, just like tap ko close and all, use bucket while you are washing your vehicles. So these are the small steps you should also take. Okay, close the tap while you are brushing your teeth. So these are the small steps you can also contribute to conserve our water, very precious resource. So student, for today that's it. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.